Now, to save time, in this case with a newsletter or something that repeats, and if you've already created character styles before for this one project and for the first publication of Healthy Pets, and then you're now doing the second publication of Healthy Pets, instead of having to recreate all the styles and add them and format each one, get them set up, you can actually load them from the old document. And now I know why Terry Ryberg had that other InDesign file in there. We're going to actually load the styles that are in there into our new document. So if you click on the menu for the paragraph style panel, there's something called load paragraph styles. And now all you have to do is select her other InDesign document, the Healthy Pets InDesign document template, and then hit open, and then it asks you, do you want to check all? You can also check, see, by default it checks all the paragraph styles, but there's also a character style in here as well, the one that's signified by the little A icon. And we're going to check all because we want to bring in that character style as well. So hit OK. And now, as you can see, if I drag out my panel here, you can see all the other ones that are now loaded. And we're going to start using them. Okay, I forgot. After bringing in these new styles, we're actually going to create a few more. So one of them is going to be a variation on the body copy. So when you have most of the body text, you're going to want just like a little variation of it. Let's see, never mind. Let me just show you. Okay, so I'm going to create a duplicate of the body copy. Let's see, create duplicate style. Okay, duplicate style, and then I'm going to name it body copy with indent, because for some of the paragraphs we might want them to be a little indented, and so all we're going to change is one thing. And oh, and I have to make sure that yes, the basic paragraph is formatted to body copy. It's based on body copy, because for example, if I want to change the text for body, the font for body copy, I also want the indent, body copy indent, to also change to match. I just want the only difference to be the indent, and the indent will be changed to 0.125 on the left side there, and then hit OK. So now I have a variation on the body copy. It's linked to body copy. So for example, if I changed body copy to Times New Roman, then body copy indent would change as well. And so in that case, you want it to have that link. And then there's also another style that we need to create called a kicker. Let me see. I just wanted to take a preview of what it's going to look like. So here's the kicker. A kicker is when you're trying to get readers to read the headline. So the headline is new equipment increases diagnostic and treatment. And then if that's not exciting enough, then you create a introduction to the headline, which is great news for pet owners, because then the pet owners will be excited and try to read this and try to understand why it's exciting for them. So that's a kicker, and let's see, we're going to create that right now from scratch. Here's my InDesign file. Okay, so we're going to go to see new, and then again paragraph style 1. We're going to change that name to kicker, and then use the specified font, which is Garamond. See, whoops, Adobe Garamond. Again, if you don't have specific fonts, you can kind of pick something that looks similar. And then we're going to base it on, let's see, okay, it's going to be based on nothing. No paragraph style, which it is already. Okay, good. And then I forgot, I have to make it italic, and then